Before starting to use the Avonex Syringe Kit, it's important to read the medication guide and instructions for use provided by your pharmacist. If you have any questions, ask your doctor or pharmacist for clarification. If you're using the Avonex Syringe Kit at home, make sure to learn all the preparation and usage instructions from your healthcare professional. Before using, check the product visually for any particles or discoloration. If you notice either, do not use the liquid. Be sure to learn how to store and safely discard the medical supplies. For increased comfort, remove the medication from the refrigerator and let it warm to room temperature for about 30 minutes before injecting. Do not warm it up in any other way, such as heating in the microwave or placing it in hot water. The Avonex Syringe Kit is usually injected into a muscle once a week, as directed by your doctor. It's best to use this medication near bedtime to reduce any potential side effects. Before injecting each dose, clean the injection site with rubbing alcohol. Change the injection site each time to lessen injury and do not inject into skin that is red, sore, scarred, or infected. If you are using the pre-filled syringe, inject the medication into the thigh or upper arm as directed by your doctor. If you are using the auto-injector, inject into the upper outer thigh as directed. Be sure to inform your doctor of any skin reactions that do not go away after a few days. The dosage of the Avonex Syringe Kit is based on your medical condition and response to treatment. To reduce your risk of side effects, your doctor may direct you to start at a low dose and gradually increase. Use the medication regularly on the same day each week to get the most benefit from it. If your condition worsens, be sure to inform your doctor. Some common side effects of using the Avonex Syringe Kit may include pain, swelling, or redness at the injection site. Additionally, many people may experience flu-like symptoms such as headache, tiredness, fever, chills, and muscle aches when they first start this medication. These symptoms usually last about 1 day after the injection and improve or go away after a few months of continued use. To lessen these side effects, you can inject this medicine at bedtime and use fever reducers/pain relievers such as acetaminophen or ibuprofen before each dose. It's important to remember that this medication has been prescribed because your doctor has judged that the benefit to you is greater than the risk of side effects. However, you should tell your doctor right away if you experience any serious side effects, such as mental/mood changes, feeling too hot or cold, easy bleeding/bruising, signs of kidney problems, signs of liver problems, new or worsening symptoms of heart failure, or seizures. It's also important to note that this medication may lower your ability to fight infections, making you more likely to get a serious infection or make any infection you have worse. If you notice any signs of infection, such as a sore throat that doesn't go away, fever, chills, or cough, you should tell your doctor right away. While a very serious allergic reaction to this drug is rare, it's important to seek medical help right away if you notice any symptoms of a serious allergic reaction, including rash, itching/swelling, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing. If you notice any other effects not listed above, be sure to contact your doctor or pharmacist. Before using the Avonex Syringe Kit, it is important to inform your doctor or pharmacist if you have any allergies, especially to interferon or any inactive ingredients in the product. Make sure to discuss your medical history with your healthcare professional, including any bleeding or blood problems, heart issues, liver disease, mental/mood disorders, seizure disorder, or thyroid disease. It's important to note that interferon can increase your risk of infection or worsen current infections, so it's best to avoid contact with individuals who have contagious infections like chickenpox, COVID-19, measles, or the flu. If you have been exposed to an infection, be sure to consult your doctor for further guidance. Before receiving any immunizations or vaccinations, be sure to inform your healthcare professional that you are using interferon. Additionally, it's important to avoid contact with individuals who have recently received live vaccines. If you are planning to have surgery, it's crucial to inform your doctor or dentist about all the medications and products you are using, including prescription drugs, non-prescription drugs, and herbal products. During pregnancy, the use of this medication should only occur if it is clearly needed. It's important to discuss the potential risks and benefits with your doctor. Additionally, if you are breastfeeding, it's recommended to consult your doctor before using the Avonex Syringe Kit. It's important to be aware of potential drug interactions when using Avonex Syringe Kit. This medication may change how other medications work, or increase the risk of serious side effects. It's important to keep a list of all the products you use, including prescription and non-prescription drugs, as well as herbal products, and share this list with your doctor and pharmacist. Always consult with your doctor before starting, stopping, or changing the dosage of any medicines while using Avonex Syringe Kit. This will help to ensure the safe and effective use of this medication. If someone has taken too much of this medication and is experiencing severe symptoms like loss of consciousness or difficulty breathing, they should seek immediate medical help by calling 911 or contacting a poison control center. In the U.S., residents can call their local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222, while Canadian residents can call a provincial poison control center. It is important not to share the Avonex Syringe Kit with others. It is also important to undergo lab and/or medical tests, such as complete blood count, liver/thyroid function, while using this medication. It is essential to keep all medical and lab appointments. If you forget to take a dose of Avonex, take it as soon as you remember. But do not use it 2 days in a row, and do not take a double dose to make up for a missed one. Just continue with your regular dosing schedule the following week. When it comes to storing Avonex Syringe Kit, it's important to keep it in the refrigerator away from light, but do not freeze it. If needed, it can also be stored at room temperature for up to 7 days. Be sure to keep all medications, including Avonex, away from children and pets. When it comes to getting rid of any unused or expired medication, it's important not to flush them down the toilet or pour them into a drain unless instructed to do so. It's best to consult with your pharmacist or local waste disposal company on how to properly discard this product. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the U.S., you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.